Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Milwaukee bag set I purchased a couple of days ago on Father's Day weekend. They had sale. So let's take a look at what we actually got. And see how it looks like. Alright, so this is supposed to be 4 pieces of different Milwaukee in a bag coming. It's the M12 kit. It's supposed to receive. So the first thing we got is the Milwaukee M12 Cordless 3/8 Ratchet. I was kind of looking forward to purchasing this, and it came, so I really wanted the Sawzall, and this came in the kit for $1.99 from Home Depot. I think I got this from. So the part number is 2457-20, and we'll put that aside for a second. So next, we got the combo kit, which really this was an extra piece they included on 3. So for 4 tools with the condo M12 3 piece plus the 3/8 ratchet should do good. I'll show you guys. So let's take a look what's inside here. Alright, comes nicely in the bag. Right here we can see the nice bag on it. Let's give it a shot and open it. Wow. Alright, so we got a little nice little solution box. Allows us how to, gives us a nice little poster of what more tools can we get. Alright, who cares? Manuals, and we get a nice charger. We should get 2, 1, only 1. We're gonna get this, some blades. So I'm just gonna take everything out. So we have the bag. We're gonna have the Sawzall, screw gun, impact wrench, and 2 little batteries. They're the small, and a charger, and couple sample blades for the HACKZALL. So alright, so we got 2. This should be lithium batteries. Let's open them up. So these are the 1.5, if you guys can see, this is a 1.5 battery, which is a little bit less powerful, but it'll go in real nice in here. We'll get it charging soon. Second one, then we have the 1/4 impact wrench, which is nice and short, looks great. And a little portable drill. Very cute little thing. Again, it's real nice. Has a little belt clip right here. So I'm quite happy so far with the purchase. I was mostly after this, getting this since it came a kit. I really wanted the 3/8 ratchet. That's what I was kind of after. Wanted this, and then these guys I got bonus for me. So let's take a look at what's inside our ratchet set. No guys, I could only get this online and shipped to the house. Sale didn't seem to be in the stores. So here we go. Took it out the box. Whew. We got nice ratchet. Again, batteries should go nicely in here, so I'm very happy with it. Stop. We'll give this a, should put it to good use. Came with a operational manual and more solutions to win. So hopefully you guys like it. Let me know which bags you guys decide to buy from Milwaukee or any other vendors and why. Leave a comment. If you have this set array, please leave a comment. Let everybody know your experience with it. I'm looking forward to it. I know it's a little smaller battery, but for what I do around the house, this should be more than enough. If I need, I'll upgrade the battery to the 6 amp instead of 1.5 amp. So looking forward for some feedback. Hope you enjoy. We'll have a next video. We'll take the HACKZALL, HACKZALL. We'll take the HACKZALL. In the next video, we'll take the HACKZALL, and we'll be able to we'll see in action cutting some metal to see if it was well worth purchase. So stay tuned to the next video. We'll get that going very shortly.